Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of cordless vacuums. If you're tired of dragging a heavy vacuum around your home and looking for something lighter, more convenient, and budget-friendly, you're in the right place. We've got 3 fantastic cordless vacuums that promise to make your cleaning routine a breeze. So, let's jump right in and find the perfect one for you. First up, we have the Black+Decker PowerSeries Extreme. This vacuum is designed with convenience and versatility in mind. It features a robust design, weighing in at 10.3 pounds, and comes with several attachments that make it ideal for cleaning various surfaces around your home. Pros: versatile cleaning. The PowerSeries Extreme offers versatile cleaning options, from carpets to hard floors, thanks to its powerful suction. Washable filter. It comes with a washable filter, which saves you money on replacements and helps maintain suction power. Flexibility. It converts into a handheld vacuum for quick cleanups or tighter spaces, making it incredibly versatile. Cons: weight. At 10.3 pounds, it's heavier compared to some other cordless models, which may be a consideration if you prefer a lightweight vacuum. Battery life. While the battery lasts for about 30 minutes on a full charge, it may not be enough for larger homes or extensive cleaning sessions. Dustbin capacity. The dustbin is relatively small, requiring frequent emptying, especially if you have pets or a lot of dirt to pick up. Overall, the Black+Decker PowerSeries Extreme is a solid choice for anyone looking for a versatile cordless vacuum that's easy to use and powerful enough for daily cleaning tasks. If you can manage the weight and have a smaller home or apartment, this vacuum could be the perfect fit. Next on our list is the Hoover ONEPWR Evolve. This vacuum is part of Hoover's ONEPWR battery system, meaning it's compatible with other Hoover ONEPWR products. It's designed to provide strong performance and convenience for your cleaning tasks. Pros: powerful suction. The Evolve features a high-efficiency motor that delivers powerful suction across various surfaces, making it effective for both carpets and hard floors. Lightweight design. Weighing only 8.2 pounds, it's easy to carry and maneuver, which is especially helpful during extended cleaning sessions. Long battery life. It offers up to 4 hours of runtime on a full charge, which is great for getting through most cleaning sessions without needing a recharge. Easy to empty dustbin. The dustbin has a simple design that allows for mess-free emptying, so you won't have to worry about dirt spilling out. Cons: limited attachments. While it performs well, the Evolve does not come with as many attachments as some competitors, which could limit its versatility for specialized cleaning tasks. Charging time. Some users find the charging time a bit lengthy, which can be inconvenient if you need to clean on the fly. The Hoover ONEPWR Evolve is a solid choice for those looking for a lightweight, efficient, cordless vacuum. It's particularly well suited for homes with mixed flooring types, but its limited attachments might be a drawback for users seeking more specialized cleaning options. Last, but certainly not least, we have the Eureka NEC180. This vacuum is designed with efficiency and practicality in mind, aiming to deliver a thorough clean while remaining lightweight and easy to handle. Pros: 2-in-1 functionality. The Eureka NEC180 easily converts from an upright vacuum to a handheld unit, making it a great option for quick cleanups or reaching high spaces. Decent suction power. With a powerful motor, it provides effective suction for dust, debris, and pet hair across different surfaces. Washable filter. Like the Black+Decker, the Eureka NEC180 features a washable filter, contributing to long-term savings on replacements. Affordable. Priced very competitively at just 5.26 pounds, it's one of the most lightweight options while still providing good performance. Cons: battery life. Similar to the Black+Decker, the battery life is about 30 minutes, which may not be sufficient for larger cleaning tasks. Build quality. Some users have reported that the build quality feels a bit cheaper compared to other models, which might affect its durability over time. The Eureka NEC180 is an affordable and practical option for anyone looking for a lightweight vacuum that can handle everyday messes. It's great for small apartments or homes, but may not withstand extensive use due to its build quality. Our verdict: In third place, we have the Black+Decker PowerSeries Extreme. This vacuum stands out with its strong suction and versatile cleaning capabilities. It's perfect for those who need a multifunctional tool that can switch between floors and handheld use with ease. However, the weight of 10.3 pounds and a smaller dustbin make it less ideal for extended use or those who prioritize a lightweight feel. The shorter battery life also holds it back for larger cleaning jobs. That said, if versatility and suction power are at the top of your priority list and you can manage the extra heft, this vacuum is still a great contender. Taking the second spot is the Eureka NEC180. Weighing in at just 5.26 pounds, it's by far the lightest of the three, making it incredibly easy to maneuver and perfect for quick, everyday cleaning. It's also one of the most budget-friendly options, offering solid suction and 2-in-1 functionality for smaller homes or apartments. However, its shorter battery life and somewhat lower build quality compared to the competition mean it may not hold up as well with heavy-duty use. Still, if you're looking for a lightweight, affordable cordless vacuum that does the job without breaking the bank, the Eureka NEC180 is a fantastic choice. And finally, our top pick is the Hoover ONEPWR Evolve. Coming in at 8.2 pounds, this vacuum strikes a great balance between power and portability. It boasts strong suction that's effective on both carpets and hard floors, and offers up to 4 hours of runtime, providing enough power for most cleaning tasks. While it might not come with an extensive set of attachments, its compatibility with the ONEPWR battery system adds versatility for users who already have other Hoover products. The easy-to-empty dustbin and manageable weight make it a reliable, all-around performer. For its powerful features and practicality, the Hoover ONEPWR Evolve earns the top spot. So there you have it. Each of these vacuums has something unique to offer, so consider your cleaning needs and choose the one that fits your lifestyle best. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more product reviews and tips. Comment below with your thoughts on these vacuums, or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and happy cleaning!